What's up guys, Stixx Picks here, back in the video. We're here at the flea market. As you can tell behind me, we are set up already and we're trying to make some money. How much on that drum set back there?
30.
I don't know if it works. There's no cords to go with it, is there? I'll think about it. You take 25 on it? Thank you.
All right, my friend.
Thank you.
All right, see you.
All right, guys, we just bought this big old thing. It's gonna be a pain in the butt to get back, but let's get it back to our spot. I don't know. I was just looking up that whole drum set itself. It's incomplete. That's why, and I'll pay 25 for it, right? It's incomplete. I don't even know if it works, which that would suck if it didn't work, right? I wouldn't lose too much though, because like these look like they're in pretty good shape, and I think these little stands alone sell for about 20 bucks a piece that I saw online. Maybe I'll put them together for 30. This little symbol, I think this is the symbol that I saw. I don't know, I saw a $40 sale for just this symbol. I don't know freaking why, but we're gonna look a little more into it though. So there's definitely money to be made. That's why I bought it, of course.
¡A dólar! ¡A dólar! ¡A dólar la pieza!
This is $1?
¿Dólar? Yeah, dólar, vale. Si quieres, dame $5, dame $5. No, estos me quedan grandes. Los zapatos no te van a quedar. No, los tienes en la mano. Oh,
excuse me. All I have is 100, so I gotta get change.
Oh, okay.
Give me 1 second.
Okay.
How much on this?
$5. I put it right there.
You don't have the bottom of this one?
No. Want to go 3 on it?
Yeah, I was probably gonna buying it still.
Okay, I didn't know.
Yeah, I'll go 3 on it though. I was just hoping you had the bottom of that one though. I was hoping you had the Kramer one. Do you have an Xbox somewhere here?
No, just for a couple games, maybe a controller, but no Xbox.
All right. Thank you. I'm gonna shake you know, a little loose, but should be fine, I guess. We'll see. We'll see, y'all. How much on the PS2?
35.
Yeah, I can tell. Doesn't look to be in the best shape.
Yeah.
All right, we paid $2 for this game. I don't know. I just know Minecraft's a good game. I know it sells for like 30 bucks, like online in the stores. So I mean, I can probably get 15 bucks for it, right? Like, come on. No way I don't get $15 on it. We picked enough today. We gotta go help and make some sales at our booth. Honestly, we made enough buys today. We may do one more little lap in like 30 minutes or an hour or so, but we got a little help out at the stall. We're asking $15 on these, and the person didn't take it. There's like freaking 30 of these little Avon vintage pieces. I guess $15 was not cheap enough for them, right? There's a bunch of random stuff over here though. Some picture frames. We got like an old bottle. Is that a printer? We might need that. It's more Avon. We just never run out of Avon. Dude, I don't know what that is exactly. This is a big old cage shit up though. That's $100 though. I paid $1 a piece on these games. This one's about 10 bucks or so. I just bought this $1. I'll make a little bit of money on this. This one, there's 2 games in here. I don't know how much I'll make, but there's 2 games in here. It's not actually Black Ops 3. I'll probably also make a couple bucks on this game also. We're about to sell this for $100. This whole thing, all of these together, it goes like this. Look at this. $100. Is that a good deal? I have no idea. We're asking 200. We went down to 100 for them. Let me know. Now it's lunchtime, y'all. They got their own food. My dad. I didn't really want tacos today. I get tacos like every day. Sometimes I eat twice a day. Sometimes I'll get tacos like right now in the morning, and then later on at the warehouse for our next taco truck that we go to every day, I'll get tacos there too. Like what the heck? So I just got a little cheeseburger this morning. I don't really like their breakfast food here. It's not too good. Or I would get a breakfast sandwich or something. When I was going to get food, my dad sold pretty much everything to somebody. Everything that's left over is sold, and we have to deal with it. Dad, how much you sell everything for?
I just $250.
Everything go for $250.
Well,
table and all
deals with people, and I didn't want to bring it back to the warehouse.
Table and all, Dad?
Yes, man. Well, everything, all the alcohol stuff.
Whoa, guys! All the alcohol displays, the table, everything here. The fencing thing too. He sold for $250 to one guy.
Think about it. I was about to give him that for 100.
Yeah.
And then we're gonna start giving away the freaking alcohol displays for $1 each and free to people. Like, might as well just let one person who's willing to take everything, so we drive away and get on to the next project.
All right, everybody. Now it's I got a bunch of dollar sales going on, so let's just go check them out real quick. I probably won't find much, but they're dollar sales, so pretty easy to make money. Like, see, there's a bunch of purses here for $1.
Dollar, dollar.
I don't know about you ladies watching, but you guys would probably be interested in some of these. Obviously, I am not. I don't know. I don't know, y'all. That is something I need to learn more of it, though. I need to learn clothing a bit more. There's a lot of dollar sales out here for clothing, a lot of them. Maybe even clothes for myself to buy, but I could make money on a lot of these clothes for $1. All right, guys, we're back at the warehouse. We're here. It's about like a week or 2 later after this recording, and you know, we're back. Let me give you guys a little bit of an update on things that I sold. I think I sold a couple of the items that I bought in this video. Let me give you an update. I think I did end up selling that Minecraft game for about $18, so a little bit of money there. Paid $2, sold for $18 after taxes. I probably made about $14 or $15 or so. The Simmons drum set, I actually don't have it fully listed. I've cleaned it up now. I sold one of the kick pedals already for $35. So I paid $25 for it. I already sold one item for $35. We're a little bit in the profit already, and it's still a bunch to list and sell, you know? So I still think we'll make at least $100, maybe $150 on that. That'd be pretty cool, right? I guess I didn't actually show anybody that I bought these VHS players, but I bought 2 VHS players too. I paid $4 for one, and I paid $1 for one. And the one I paid $4 for sold for like $40 the next day. I guess I didn't record it. I thought I did, but so today was pretty successful.
How successful? Scale of 1 to 10.
Probably like an 8. If you guys made it this far, thank you for watching. I appreciate you, and peace out.